Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, South Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 2 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Collie Font to Front Town, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Boonton, Wharton, Rockaway, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, High Bridge, Stanhope, Bitcall, Clinton, Peapeck and Gladstone, Glen Gardner, Chester, Ferndale, Victory Gardens, Hampton, Front Town, Lebanon, and Milford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset and Warren, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. The following